climb inside the 2018 Ram 3500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the following features are included: heated and ventilated seats, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.